Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Quick Bites. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and in this episode we'll talk about chlorinated chicken. That is pretty much a very, very strong subject all across the globe, but let's see what happens here in the US. Chlorinated chicken refers to chicken that has been washed with chlorine or chlorine dioxide as a method of disinfection. This practice is common here in the United States and involves rinsing the poultry in a chlorine solution to kill bacteria such as Salmonella and Campylobacter, which can cause foodborne illness. The process is intended to ensure the safety and hygiene of the meat. However, chlorinated chicken has been a subject of several controversies, particularly in the European Union, where the use of chlorine washes in poultry process is banned. The EU stance is based on the principle of maintaining high standards of animal welfare and food safety throughout the entire production process, rather than relying on chemical washes at the end of the cycle. Critics of chlorinated chicken argue that it can mask poor hygiene practices during the early stages of production and may have negative implications for animal welfare standards. The debate of chlorinated chicken has also been a point of discussion in several trade negotiations, particularly between the United States and the European Union, as the two regions differ on regulatory standards and practices regarding food safety. And that is all for today, Quick Bites. Check back with you for another episode. Until the next time, stay well and eat well.